bang again, back again. So you want to learn how to sauce up your hi hats, how to sauce up your hi. You know what I'm saying? Really sauce them joints up. I got you. You know what I'm saying? So first, what I would tell you to do is find the key of the song, like whatever key the song is in, or the well, not the song, but the beat you making, whatever key it's in, start right there. Me, I'm gonna show you a little cheat code. Now, I mean, something I be using, a personal favorite. You know what I'm saying? Boom, go to scale, minor, if it's minor or major, whatever it is, bang. So everything should be in the key. So you can start with the. Oh, we in double time. All right, 140. You can start with the. You know, then you can even drag this out. Option U for the chopper. You know what I mean, get right. I probably. You know what I mean, just give it that swing. Yeah, feel me? I'm more groove like that. But basically, that's tricks to sauce up your hi hats. Like you could even do the like it's simple. You don't gotta really do too much. Is what I'm saying. You really don't have to do too much. Like, you know what I mean, you can even go here and change the step. You could even you could basically do whatever as long as it sound right. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Don't Please don't judge me. I'm trying to just, you know what I mean, come up with stuff just to teach y'all. But basically, that's just how to sauce up your hi hats. Like, don't just stick with the normal. Like, you could really sauce them up. Alright, if you rocking with the content, drop a subscribe. We new to this joint and we try and get lit. So yeah, see you next time.